Excuse me. Lesson 15. All right, format your video for download, either on YouTube or a course software like iFocusHQ. Here's why I say this, because especially if you're going to use OBS Studio like I am, they initially, now I don't know if I said it wrong at first or if it just comes default, but you're going to want to check. I had the settings wrong, and it's saved as MK4 instead of, so I think I changed it to MP4. But there's other ones you can do. I think MP4 is the most universally accepted. I don't know if it has it. Yeah, right here on YouTube, iFocusHQ, MP4. Okay, so I'll leave this in the notes below as well, but you can go into, maybe I should have did a full walkthrough, or no, I can't do it because I'm actually using the screen. So you can go into your OBS Studio or similar recording software, and you can ask ChatGPT to help you walk through this as well. That's exactly what I did. But you just go into the settings, and you go into video formatting, and it'll be format, resolution, aspect, frame rate, etc. And then set that as your default settings, and then any video you make from there on out will save correctly. That way you can upload them without having any problems. Now, if you do by chance make a video and it uploads as the wrong file type, you can download what's called VLC Media Player. It looks like a little, if you can see that little construction cone there, okay? Download VLC Media Player, and you can convert your videos from, say, MK4 to MP4 or whatever you need to do. I had to do that for my first couple of videos, for you know, other videos, not this, because I learned my lesson. But it happens, and it happened to me, so it happened to you. VLC Studio is where you want to go. So then I will see you in the next lesson.